What's up, guys? It's Bonnet Girl Vlog.
I want to go get If I back it up, is it fat enough? When I throw it back, is it fast enough? If I speed it up, can you handle that? You ain't ready for this work now. Watch me throw it back.
Vlog's back with another video, and today I'm gonna take you through my skincare process. I don't usually do this, but I'm actually gonna start doing it again since I started getting a little bit of acne up here and a little bit on the cheeks right here and a little bit right here. You can't really see it that good because I already went ahead and started applying some of the stuff that I use. But I'm gonna go to Trinity's room really quick and do it in her bathroom because yeah. I also need to go check up on my clothes. Okay. Now I'm gonna rinse my face. This. So now it is starting to burn a little bit. So now I'm just gonna let it set a couple minutes. Yeah. I think it's only burning because my face really needed it and it's been a while since I've used it. So that's probably why it's burning. Not so bad. Yes, I am wiping my hands and stuff on my shirt. No. Okay, y'all. So as you can see, it kind of dried up a little bit, and I'm gonna wash it up. Hair too. Okay, good. That's better. I got one. Okay, y'all. Face, and it looks like it actually did some justice. Of course, my forehead is still a little terrible looking. Okay, so my forehead. Look at this. It looks disgusting, but whatever. Now I'm going to apply the face mask. This is definitely necessary. You got spots? Now that sounded like the thing. Ooh. So I don't have like an actual spatula, so I'm gonna use this knife. Those little, whatever. You shouldn't be. Girl. I almost fell backward. Okay. Oh my mama, oh my hood, I look fly, I look good. I don't know what I'm trying to achieve right now. Okay. All right, y'all, so we're gonna let this freeze, and then so while I'm letting this mask dry up, I'm gonna brush my teeth. This probably isn't smart, but hey, I don't care. I need to brush my teeth. So I'm gonna prove to you. Got him. I can't do it. You just put on the wrong version. She tried to pull me up. Then again, Buddy should have been,
if you go to his page on TikTok, like that's what he would follow. So you're not gonna address what was just on Twitter?
No. I swear. Dang, not him and Charlie both got leaked. Some people don't recommend this, but you're not supposed to use scented lotions on your. Okay, and this is the end result. I hope this video helped y'all. I know it's kind of terrible. I'll do another one because I wasn't really like, you know, paying attention. Now I have to do something with my hair. Probably just gonna throw a little leave-in. And probably just tie it back. Throw a little something on it and then tie it back. Oh, she went. So, Cat, you doing too much. I'm like, shut up. You ain't doing enough. Oh, you mad? That's too bad. Did you ask? I like doing too much. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. Okay. Make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe, and what is this? Okay. And yeah, and share.